Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing this one, what's the name? Daily challenge. The hint said there are some common paywall bypass technique to explore. Now we have this one. Remember this one, the ruler, the free one. Let's do the inspect. The network, if you remember this one, we did it before. The free one is fine. You select that one, it go, and then you have it did do storage the data there, and then we have the network, and you have it sent the ruler. We can see the response. It just do the dice. But for us in this room is more interesting this new one, the quantum one. And if you do the quantum, I tell you this one, you see there's some tricks here in CSS you can do because it's hidden. You can see it's hidden there. So I can just say display none here, and you can see now we start seeing something. So I can have a look at it, and then we can see what else is hidden. This is the body. So this one, what is this? This one, no, no. I'm checking which one it left. We need to clear. No, I don't want to inspect. Oh, we can't see it. Let's see, where is it now? If I do display none, what happened here? I had to remove the whole things. No, we don't want that. This is the body. I see the blur there. No, it's not that one. No, for the sake of God, where is it now? Okay, if we remove the filter, I can see it, but I can't click on it yet. User selection. No, we can't. Remove the opacity. So now I can see it, but no, I can't click. I don't know why I can't click. What else we missing? We missing something else. This one. Why I can't select? There's another layer on top. I don't know. It messed it up for me, but pointer event. I know I can move them, but I can't. It doesn't come here. But at least there's something we'll be able to see what's going on with CSS. But now let's go back now. Let's use burp now. Let's put intercept on. Let me activate that one. I think is active now. Okay, so if I refresh now it go into that quantum API. I can just do intercept response. If I forward that one, that's fine. And then it come there, that's still fine. We can just keep forwarding that one. And then the map, that's fine. But this one I want to intercept. You can see it's going to API content, subscriber content. So if I do a response intercept, if I forward, now I can hear me set false. I can just send this true. If I forward that one, now I can do that. So let's stop burp. I don't want to use it. Now if I do this and I click there, it said to me quantum role is premium feature, please upgrade your subscription. Let's see the request that was sent here. The request sent to this quantum API, and you can see the request gets sent as a dice, the normal dice we have. So you can do edit and response. Yeah, you can say, but I don't have the feature for premium, so I don't know what you can do. You said We have the whole dice there. For example, I can say, how about mode, for example, quantum. Try some tricks, but nothing work in the beginning because it just a response premium feature. So this one didn't work. We can even because this is the dice, we can just add another one. I think we can do type. For example, you can type quantum. Oh, it is a bid request. We need to put that one there. It's still there, so type or or you can say subscription. Quantum, it doesn't work. Premium doesn't work. Even if you add here another header, for example, you can add x subscribe true. A true doesn't work. We can do x premium. For example, if it's sometimes it does work premium again, that doesn't work. You can try, for example, adding header subscription. You send it there, it doesn't work. For example, X plan. For example, it's a premium. Doesn't, because remember we don't have the cookie. There's no cookie in this one because we are not logging. So what left is, the idea is when you search online or ChatGPT or Claude, there is an option is the browser. So we didn't, there's some, for example, because our browser uses agent, for example, yes, if I change this one, for example, to the famous Google, for example, bot, interesting, it does work. Of course, now if I do header is supposed to be in no, it should be response. And that's your flag. So it does work. So you just change the header. So, or for example, if you want to, and then, so basically you just send the agent to GoogleBot. You see, it gave me the flag even when it did misspell. You just need to change it. It give you the flag. It's supposed to GoogleBot. You just change the agent from Firefox. It give you the flag. So that's the flag. Basically, you can also check it here if you want to play here because how to change the agent here. Now what we can do is we can do this one responsive, and I can sorry, I can do edit list. I can add the custom and I just call it for example Google bots, and I can just Google bot, for example. I can save it, close that one. Why this one is too small? Let's make it 6. Why is not moving? So now if I want to play this one, you can now it doesn't play for me, but if I change responsive and look for that Google bot we just enter, now if I put that and I do roll, now it does work. You can see it work normally. It's not blocking me. And if I go to my responses, I can just clear them. Like if I roll again, now you can see it's go, and then we got our flag. Now the question you can ask is, does this pass the whole filter, the first one? I don't think it will. The first one will first. So basically, you change. Remember here, if we just change in the user agent to anything, basically, because this room is just to teach us that we don't do. Another question is, can Googlebot bypass the whole thing? Let's see if it does bypass the first one. We do need the no. So we don't need burp. So I don't need burp even for the first time. So I can go to this quantum just by doing a Googlebot. So I can just go to So basically, if I let's say if I start over, if I start over again, I come here. So if I do quantum and it do me like that, say subscriber, I can just do inspect. I can go to my responsiveness. I can switch to GoogleBot and refresh the page. And now it works. I can play. Yeah. And of course you get your flag by going to your network, and then you get a response, and that's your flag. So basically you just change the Googlebot in your request. That's it. Thank you very much everybody, and have a good day.